Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Since dropping to a 3-month low, the Australian dollar has managed to stage a relatively firm comeback and now looks towards a topside level around 65.55 that may extend on towards the region of 66 figure 30, which is where the 60-day moving average is. I like the way this pattern has relatively firmed up, and even to the broader fact that the market has found bullish divergence from the MACD, as you can see here. From the current price and also from the recovery in the indicators, I do support the bullish case has potential, and any pullback likely to find support around 65.05 and a base still holding roughly around 64.5 to 64.60. The euro also found good support as the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, tumbled from 104.59 to 104.14. As investors assessed the latest comments from the US Federal Reserve's policymakers, they also tried to make some sense of Fed Powell's interview on Sunday after signalling that he is very cautious on rates, reiterating his stance that a rate cut at the next rate sitting from the Federal Open Market Committee, or the FOMC, meeting in March was unlikely. But I like the way the market has found support, that is from the region of 107.1525 and now looks towards 107.75. That can extend on towards 108.4550 as the dollar has potential to slip further, and that is towards the region of the lows of 103 or maybe back towards the 102 area, as I still feel the bearish case can strengthen for the dollar. Having taken the challenge back to this year's highs around 148.7090, the bears once again defend and now buckling the technicals and possibly now in a position to take the market lower and therefore look towards 147.20 as a target and reassess as we may extend down towards 146.40. Any upside attempts expects another ambush. Sterling also rebounded and back to the break level of 126.10. Neither the pattern, a clearance of 126.35.45 should strengthen on to 127 or maybe to 127.65 and any pullback to be shallow. The topside rejection, as we saw around 2060, the market now plummeted and reaches its objective of 2018 and from there has rebounded. I feel now the market has potential in climbing on towards 42 or maybe up to 2050 to 52 and reassess from there. Any pullback should again find support from this base around 2016-18. And wrapping up with oil, the market finding support from this dragonfly doji and now waits for the break to the upside, which could be around 73.70.80 or even more, trading around $74 a barrel. Could see further scope up towards 74.80 to 75.5, and any pullback expects to find support roughly around this area at 71.65.80. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report. And I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.